Berry's Création, share, like, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Guys, that's a new I got for you for a gift for somebody. So for retirement, I make a little gift for you guys. So I try to make a little video for you guys. You know, this question like the bling, like something look gorgeous, expensive. So let's get started. What you gonna be use to make that look expensive? You need your crushed glass. I find my crushed glass at Michael's, and then I find the glitter at a thrift store, and then I buy my I find those paint in the dumpster. You know, Berry's Création like to recycle everything. So you need your brush, your canvas, your mulch board, and then you need some glitter. I mix two glitter together. I find out at Michael's, I bet at Walmart. I mix the little gold with silver. So I mix everything together to make it look gorgeous. So if you're gonna sell something expensive, you're gonna use the glaze to make the canvas look more expensive if you're gonna sell it. But if you're not gonna be selling it, just like just a gift for somebody, so you can use the glaze too. But me, I try to recycle everything. So I got my glue, my school glue from Oli. So I said, let me use the school glue and the mulch pad together, the clear one, not the white one, the clear one. So I use it to seal the crushed glass and the glitter and the canvas. So you see, I use my paint. That paint I find in garbage too. So I recycle almost everything, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you see I give a good job. Give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to tell people subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and then thank you too for everyone who has subscribed. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your support. Thank you, everyone. So that's the look I got for you. You know, you see a lot of canvas and a lot of design. Z-Galerie, expired by Z-Galerie and my channel before. So I'm not gonna talk too much. Just let's get started to see what Berry's Création got. So I mix 3 color paint together. So that the way you see the canvas come and look gorgeous. And then the Wall-Decor, I got a paint. That paint you see here, the pink, I find in garbage. I find about a 6 or 5, something like that, in garbage. Full, not even used. So I find in garbage in the dumpster. So I said, let me create something look like Valentine's. You know, the pink, red, so a little gold to mix everything together. So I try my best to give you something look gorgeous, something expensive. So this is Berry's Création. Share, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comment if you like it. Berry's Création. See you next time for the next video. Love you guys.